Okay, yes, dear. We're left and what do we
You guys
have?
gotta go up.
Way up.
Let's go, Hulk. Dig deep.
There.
What,
Take the whole body was.
there's a wire right there.
God damn it.
Cut it. Who's free? Dude, cut it. You can't cut it with your knife.
Yeah, I know. I just thought. Why is there three of you on that side and one on this side?
Alright, dude.
There we go.
Now what? Something else. Oh. We're gonna have to set it down somehow, fellas. We got a damn hard line. Doobie, bring pliers.
Coming.
Just cut this brake line. It won't cut, twist it. And it'll twist it this way.
Well, I was trying to get it cranked first.
You got it? Spin it back and forth. There you go. Back and forth. There you go. All right. One more time, fellas. Y'all ready? All right. Is there something connected?
Yes. God damn it. More wires. All wires
You
on back here in the corner. Remember that one I told you about earlier?
Yeah.
That one. Okay, good deal. Where are we going after this, by the way? Down. I don't care. Just down. I'm kind of stuck in a hole right in front of the tire. Can't go nowhere.
Can we set it on this
There.
side?
Yeah.
Let's set it down for a second.
You're off the front, dude.
Okay, we ready?
Yeah. I'm ready for what?
We have to see.
Three of y'all stand on that side.
Here. Don't put your right there. That means you're not clear. Here, sit down. Sit
I
down.
mean, it's not deep in the butt.
I got this. Big break. We're going to have to move that.
I've got 57 seconds left on my thing here. You guys have 50 seconds. Oh, shit.
Okay.
Or not.
Clear. You got video all that, right?
I
It
did.
took 3 to pick up one side?
I did. And I got you questioning it as well.
Well, I was on your side.